Namaskaram. Good morning, all of you students. How are you, all of you? Hope you will be fine, happy, healthy, and safe at your home. Students, today we are going to some yoga abhyasa and some special pranayama. These abhyasa which have a positive effect in our body, mind, and in our soul, which we get many benefits. So let's come today's session, student. First, we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. Straight your spine, your hand in Dhyana Mudra. Normalize your breathings. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Relaxing your shoulder. Eyes should be closed. Spine should be straight. Start Gayatri Mantra together. Om Bhuvasvaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Drop your both palms. Place your both palms, your eyes, your face muscle. Slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. So let's come for warm up yogic abhyasa. Today we are going to warm up yogic abhyasa in sitting position. Come to Dandasana. Start now. First we will head to feet warm up yogic abhyasa. Place both palm on your kneecap. With relaxing your shoulders, spine should be straight. Legs and knees should be straight. Exhale, touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6. Exhale down. Inhale 7, exhale down. Inhale 8, exhale down. Inhale 9, exhale down. Inhale, come slowly to the center. And exhale, twist your head to right side and look back. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right, inhale center, exhale left, inhale center, exhale right, inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale, bend your head and go for head rotation. Make a complete circle. Don't up and down your shoulder, only rotate your neck. 1, slowly rotate. Make a complete circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Stretch your both arms on front and clench your fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a fist and go for this rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbow bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place both hands on your shoulder, elbows together. Go for shoulder rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, by chest touching to the ear. 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your both hands. Inhale, raise your both arms from side above the head. Interlock your both hands finger. Place both hands on your center of the head. With inhalation, stretch your both arms with the shoulder. Inhale up, stretch up. Exhale down. Inhale. Hold here. Exhale down. Ardha Talasana. Inhale. Exhale down. Slowly release it. Next, flex your toes forward and backward. 1, hold here. Knees straight, spine should be straight. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ankle rotation. Both leg ankles rotate together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. And go for Kati Chakrasana in sitting position. Raise your both arms with the shoulder in line. Turn to left side. Place right hand on your left shoulder and left hand back behind and turn your waist. Look back from your left shoulder. Change. Same with opposite side. Look back. Change. Change. And release. Place both palms behind your back from left side like this and straight your leg and place both palms like this and try to touch your forehead to on the ground like this with exhalation. Inhale out, change, Same with opposite side. Exhale. Inhale up. Change. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release. Let's come for yoga abhyasa. First we will do butterflies reach. Let's come for butterfly. First half butterfly. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet and root of your thigh and ankle closer to your navel region. Hold right kneecap with right hand and hold toes with left hand. Inhale, touch to the chest, exhale, put down and look back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Same with opposite leg. Hold left leg ankle, place on root of right thigh and catch kneecap with left hand, feet and hold. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, release, full butterfly, interlock your both legs toes and do butterfly. And hold here both legs, feet and roll up facing upward with inhalation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, hold here, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and inhale, roll upward and raise your both hands up with inhalation. One more inhalation and exhale. Slowly bend forward. Drop your both palm on the ground and forearm, elbow and slowly try to touch your forearm on the ground. Rest your whole arm on the ground. Hold here for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release. Next, spread your leg. Fully spread. And stretch your both arm and interlock your fingers and go for Chakhi Chalasana. First, go from right side to left side with exhalation. Like this, make a complete circle. And inhale from come to left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a complete circle When you go from right side, your fingers touch on your big toes. Come from left side, your fingers touch on your left big toes. Your 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Relax. Next, come to Vajrasana and come for Ustrasana. First, sit on Vajrasana. Your toes in and heels out. Sit on inner edge like this. Sitting position. Stand on your knees. First, stand on your knees and raise your right arm. At the same time, left arm raise up and hold your knee with right hand, and at the same time hold your left leg with right hand. With inhalation and look up. Hold here for 10 seconds. Slowly come back. Release your left hand, release your right hand. Sit down, Vajrasana. Come to prone position. First, come to Sasankasana and Bhujangasana. Sit on prone position. Today we are going to Cobra Asana. It's called Sarpasana. Inhale, toes pointing out, both palms closer to the chest, elbow closer to the chest, like this. And with inhalation, lift your body from your thoracic spine, like this. With inhalation and exhale, slowly bend. Inhale, hold here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release. One more round. नेक्स्ट भुजंगासना और पर्वतासना का हम सीक्वेंस में अभ्यास करेंगे. Take position for facing dog. Place both palms beside your chest and elbow closer to the chest. Legs together. Inhale, lift your body from the knee region. Look up with inhalation. Exhale. Parvatasana. Heels on ground. Knees straight. Look at your nipples. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana, like this. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly down. Lay down, supine position. Next, Padvratasana. Take position for Padvratasana. Lift your right leg. Try to lift in 90 degree and make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Let's come for pranayama. Sit on any meditative posture. Siddhasan, Sukhasan, Padmasan. We sit on Siddhasana. Place your right heel closer to your root and your right leg anchor placed on your left leg anchor. Spine should be straight. Vijnana Mudra. First, Bhastrika Pranayama. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Deep inhalation, fully fill your respiratory system and your diaphragm look upward. Like this. Most important thing to check your Bhastrika Pranayama is correct or not correct. Inhale, exhale. Next, middle way. passed away. Relax. Slowly deep inhale and deep exhale. Normalize your breathings. Next, कपालभाति प्राणायाम. स्ट्रोक्स में करेंगे. फर्स्ट 20, 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स में, एंड पूरा स्टमक को धक्का देते हुए स्ट्रोक्स के माध्यम से सांस को एक्सहेल करेंगे. नेक्स्ट प्राणायाम उज्जाई प्राणायाम. गले की ग्रंथियों को, गले की मसल्स को आपको स्ट्रेन करना है और इनहेलेशन करना है और उससे अंतःकुंभक का अभ्यास करना है और लेग मोशन से एक्सहेलेशन करना है. वेरी गुड प्राणायाम है आवर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम एंड और हमारे गले के लिए और थायराइड ग्रंथि के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा अभ्यास है और हमारे मस्तिष्क के लिए भी बहुत ही अच्छा अभ्यास. इसकी वाइब्रेशन हमारे मस्तिष्क तक जाती है और एक्सेलेरेशन से हमारा जो राइट ब्रेन है वो एक्टिव होता है. चलिए ये करेंगे और गले को स्ट्रेन करें. आइज क्लोज. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट भ्रामरिक प्राणायाम. अ का उच्चारण नाभि और कंठ से 3 बार मेरे सामने.
positive vibration of Omkara. Drop your both palms and place your both palms, your eyes, your face muscle, and every painful part. Rise with a gentle smile at your palm. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.